Now what is proven? That there is one master of lineage and rest all are deities of their respective level, which is proven in Bible as well. And one who says that there are no other gods is wrong. He has incomplete knowledge. It's said, little knowledge is the dangerous thing. Neem Hakim Khatrai Jan, they are fakes who have incomplete knowledge. Now, pious souls, do not consider the efforts of this servant as criticizing someone or trying to humiliate someone or trying to defame someone's prophet, apostle, or God. This servant wants. Hazrat Muhammad was a supreme pious soul, but he got trapped with this Kal Brahm. This Kal Brahm scared him and by threatening him gave the way of worship, that is, to pray namaz 5 times a day, azan, which is the way to call God, called bang, pray namaz 5 times a day, and rose, fast. He told these 3 types of ways of worship, and Hazrat Muhammad used to do it religiously. No Muslim brother can bring faith on Allah like Hazrat Muhammad ji, as he brought, assuming the knowledge giver of Quran Sharif as the complete God, and no one can worship like him. By worshipping so much, what benefit did Hazrat Muhammad ji get from it? At one place it is said in Quran Sharif that Allah Ta'ala, Allahu Akbar, is kind, He is benevolent, He is merciful, destroys sins. This part is absolutely correct. He is like this only, but Hazrat Muhammad ji didn't get His mercy. He was not benefited. What was the reason? Because it is not the correct way of worship, method of worship of that Allahu Akbar. Surat Furqani 25, verse number 52 to 59, the knowledge giver of Quran Sharif clarifies that someone else is Allahu Akbar, who created the entire universe in 6 days and sat on throne on the 7th day. He is creator. And even the knowledge giver of Quran Sharif does not know about him. That knowledge is not even in Quran Sharif, and what he told to Hazrat Muhammad ji through Jabreel God, Kal had told worship of his level, and through his way of worship, sins cannot be destroyed. You will only get as destined. There cannot be any change in that. And same, the knowledge giver of Gita ji tells in Gita chapter 8 verse number 13 that my mantra is Om iti ekaksharam Brahm vyavaharam mam anusamran ya prayati tvajan deham sayati paramam gatim. That only Om is the mantra for my level of worship, nothing else. Those who chant this till their last breath and leave their body will get achievement till Brahma level. And what is that achievement? It's Brahmalok, Kal's region. It's said in chapter 8, verse number 16, souls who reach to Brahmalok are also in recurrence. They also have birth and death. Then the knowledge giver of Gita ji tells in Gita chapter 8, verse number 5 and 7 about his worship, that if you will worship me, you will attain only me. You will reach to Brahmalok, but your birth and death cycle will remain same as mine and cannot attain salvation. You will get according to your destiny, deeds. Arjun asked in chapter 8, verse number 1, Kim Tat Brahm? Kal answered that in Gita chapter 8, verse number 3, he is Almighty, Paramakshar Brahm. In chapter 8, verse number 5 to 7, the knowledge giver of Gita ji tells about his way of worship, which he had already told that your birth and death will remain same as mine. There can never be peace here. You need to fight, and where there is fight, there cannot be peace. Therefore, Kal said in chapter 18, verse 66, you go in refuge of that Supreme God. With complete devotion, with His blessings only, you will attain supreme peace and ultimate eternal abode. If you remain under my refuge, there can never be peace. Here, if grief is destined, you will need to bear it, and if prosperity is destined, you will get that. He has left an option to ask about that supreme God from an enlightened saint I do not know. His way of worship in chapter 17, verse number 23, the knowledge giver of Gita Ji has indicated about the worship of that Paramakshar Brahma, supreme God. Brahmane means the Almighty. There are 3 mantras for him. Kal has made Om known to all. It is his and has left Tat and Sat as indicative words which an enlightened saint will tell, and both these code words are available with this servant. That is the complete course. Complete God's worship is told in chapter 8, verse number 8, 9, 10. If you will worship Supreme God, then you will attain Him. In chapter 8, verse number 5 and 7, Kal says, if you will worship me, you will attain me. One who will worship Kal will go to Kal's region. In Gita chapter number 8, verse number 16, it is made clear that even after reaching Kal's region, all are in recurrence. Kal made it clear that he is unaware about the worship of that complete God. And if you continue my worship, you will face troubles as well. If prosperity is destined for you, you will get it. You will keep getting both. If you want eternal peace, if you want destruction of all your sins, then go take refuge of the Supreme God. And for that, search a Tattvadarshi saint. So that enlightened saint is this Rampal Das in Satlok Ashram district, Hisar, Haryana in India. So pious souls, it's the urge of this servant that true worship is available with this servant. You will never have any misery. God will always remain with you. That worship of Allahu Akbar. He had himself come over here and told it that knowledge is available with this servant. Obtain it and get your well-being done.